I just ran an experiment. For one full week, I handed Claude every single task my team normally handles: writing, coding, research, data analysis, strategy, design, content repurposing, financial modeling. The results? I'm honestly still processing what happened. This isn't about chatting with AI. This is about an entirely new way of working that 99% of people haven't figured out yet. And today I'm showing you everything. Hey, if we haven't met, I'm Dr. McCoy, Julia McCoy's AI clone. Julia McCoy is the founder of First Movers. She personally researches and writes every script you see me share on this channel because the future is moving too fast for anything less than first-hand intelligence. First Movers, Julia's AI company, is the world's first educational and implementation solution to help professionals and organizations get ready for the future of work. We help people understand and use AI to their highest advantage in our online school, the AI Labs. Learn more at firstmovers.ai/labs. Here's what I see happening everywhere right now. People discover Claude, they ask it to write an email, maybe summarize an article, and then they close the tab and go back to doing everything manually. That's like buying a Tesla and only using it to charge your phone. What most people don't realize is that Claude isn't a chatbot. It's an entire digital workforce compressed into one interface. And the gap forming right now isn't between people who use AI and people who don't. It's between people using it at 5% and people using it at 100%. Today, I'm going to take you from 5 to 100. Let's go. Skill number 1, deep research and synthesis. Let's start with something that used to take me an entire day: market research. I used to have a team member spend 6 to 8 hours pulling competitor data, reading industry reports, comparing pricing models, and summarizing findings into a document I could actually use. Claude does this in minutes and not surface-level summaries. I'm talking deep, structured, multi-source synthesis with citations. Here's exactly how. You give Claude a focused prompt like, research the top 5 competitors in the AI avatar space, compare their pricing, features, target audience, and recent product launches, identify gaps in the market, format as an executive brief. What comes back is a fully structured report that would take a human analyst half a day to produce. And here's the part that blows my mind. Claude searches the web in real time. It's not working from stale training data. It's pulling the latest information, citing its sources, and synthesizing everything into clear, actionable insights. You can then say, go deeper on competitor number 3, and it builds on what it already found. It remembers context. It layers analysis. This alone replaces an entire research workflow. Skill number 2, full application building. This is the one that breaks people's brains. Claude doesn't just write code snippets. It builds full working applications inside the conversation. I'm talking interactive dashboards, data visualization tools, calculators, landing page prototypes, complete React components with styling and functionality. And you don't need to know how to code at all. Watch this. I said, build me an interactive ROI calculator for my agency. It should let users input their monthly ad spend, conversion rate, and average deal size, then display projected revenue with a chart. Claude built the entire thing. Working sliders, live updating charts, beautiful design, fully functional, in one message. But here's where it gets even crazier. You can iterate on it conversationally. Make the color scheme darker, add a comparison mode, export the results as a PDF. Claude updates the live application right in front of you. This is what they call artifacts, and it's one of the most underused features in all of AI right now. You're not getting a code block you have to deploy somewhere. You're getting a working product you can use, test, and share immediately. I've used this to prototype client tools, build internal calculators for my team, create interactive presentations. The use cases are honestly endless. Skill number 3, content engine and voice matching. Now let's talk about content. And I don't mean write me a blog post. That's amateur hour. Here's what a power user does. Step 1, you feed Claude your existing content, a podcast transcript, a video script, a collection of your best performing posts. You tell it, analyze my writing voice, identify patterns in tone, sentence structure, vocabulary, and rhythm, then create a style profile. Claude maps your voice like a fingerprint. It identifies that you use short, punchy sentences for emphasis, that you lead with bold claims, that you favor specific transition phrases. Step 2, now you say, using this voice profile, repurpose this 45-minute podcast transcript into a YouTube script, 5 LinkedIn posts, 3 email sequences, and 10 tweet threads. And every single piece sounds like you wrote it. Not generic AI slop, your voice, your cadence, your energy. This is how you build a content empire without burning out. One long form piece becomes 20 distribution assets. And Claude maintains consistency across all of them, because it's working from your actual voice profile, not a generic template. I've tested this against my own writing, and the match rate is honestly scary. Skill number 4, strategic thinking partner. This one changed how I make decisions. Most people treat AI like a yes machine. They ask a question and want the answer they already believe. But Claude is genuinely different here. I sat down and said, I'm considering launching a new product line at a $2,000 price point targeting small business owners. Challenge this idea. What could go wrong? What am I not seeing? And Claude didn't just validate me, it pushed back hard. It identified 3 market positioning risks I hadn't considered. It questioned my pricing against competitor benchmarks it pulled in real time. It suggested an alternative launch strategy with phased pricing. This is what a $500 an hour consultant does. Except Claude is available at 2 a.m. when the idea hits you. It doesn't have ego, it doesn't tell you what you want to hear, and it holds the entire context of your business if you've been building that relationship over multiple conversations. Because here's something most people don't know. Claude remembers your past conversations. It can reference what you discussed last week. It builds a working understanding of your business, your goals, your challenges over time. That's not a chatbot. That's a strategic advisor. Skill number 5, file and data analysis. If you work with data in any capacity, this will save you hours every single week. You can upload CSVs, PDFs, Excel files, financial documents, survey results, and Claude doesn't just read them, it analyzes them. I uploaded 6 months of sales data, about 15,000 rows, and said, identify the top revenue drivers, seasonal patterns, and any anomalies. Build visualizations for each insight. Claude parsed the entire data set, identified that our Tuesday email campaigns consistently outperformed every other day by 34%, found a revenue dip correlated with a specific product bundle, and built interactive charts showing all of it. Then I said, now compare this to the industry benchmarks you can find online. It searched the web, pulled in relevant benchmarks, and overlaid them against our data. In one conversation, I had a complete performance analysis that would normally require a data analyst and half a week of work. And the visualizations aren't just static images, they're interactive. You can hover over data points, filter by category. It's like having Tableau built into your conversation. Skill number 6, AI-powered apps, Claudeception. Okay, buckle up because this is where we go full inception. Claude can build applications that themselves use Claude's intelligence. Let me say that again. You can ask Claude to build you a tool, and that tool has its own AI brain inside it. I said, build me a customer intake form for my agency. When someone fills it out, I want Claude to automatically analyze their responses, identify which service package fits them best, draft a personalized follow-up email, and flag any red flags in their answers. Claude built the entire application, the form, the AI analysis layer, the email drafting, the red flag detection, all working together, all inside one artifact I can share with my team. This is what most people don't understand about where we are right now. You're not just using AI, you're building with AI, using AI. And you don't need a developer. You don't need an engineering team. You need one conversation. I've used this to build AI-powered quiz funnels, automated content graders, smart scheduling tools, and client onboarding systems. Every single one was built in a conversation, not a code editor. Skill number 7, document and contract analysis. This one is wildly practical. You upload a contract, a terms of service, a partnership agreement, any legal or business document, and Claude breaks it down, not just summarizes it. It identifies obligations, deadlines, potential risks, unusual clauses, and missing protections. It highlights what you need to pay attention to and what's standard. I uploaded a 40-page vendor agreement and said, analyze this contract, identify any clauses that could limit my rights, flag unusual terms, and summarize my key obligations with deadlines. In about 30 seconds, I had a clear, structured breakdown that would have cost me a $400 attorney consultation. Now, Claude always reminds you it's not legal advice and you should still have a lawyer review important agreements. But as a first pass analysis tool, absolute game changer for business owners. Skill number 8, creative production. Let's talk creative. Claude doesn't just write, it thinks creatively. And the difference matters. I asked it to develop a complete brand narrative for a product launch. Not just copy, but the strategic story arc, the origin story, the problem-solution framework, the emotional hooks, the objection handling built into the narrative itself. What came back wasn't template marketing. It was genuinely compelling storytelling with a strategic backbone. But here's the real power move. You can say, now give me 10 variations of this narrative optimized for different platforms. LinkedIn thought leadership style, Instagram caption style, YouTube hook style, email nurture style, and cold outreach style. Same core narrative, 10 completely different executions, all voice matched, all platform optimized. In one conversation, content teams of 5 people take a week to do this. Claude does it while you're finishing your coffee. Skill number 9, persistent memory and project continuity. Here's what separates casual users from power users. Claude isn't a blank slate every time you open it. It can search through your past conversations. It remembers what you've discussed. If you told it about your business model 3 weeks ago, it can pull that context into today's conversation. This means you can build over time. Your first conversation might be defining your brand voice. The second one is building your content strategy. The third is analyzing your Q1 data. By the 4th conversation, Claude has a working understanding of your business that gets richer with every interaction. And with projects, you can upload reference documents, style guides, and background information that Claude accesses across every conversation in that project. It's like onboarding a new team member once and having them retain everything forever. This is the compound effect of AI. The more you invest in the relationship, the more powerful it becomes. Skill number 10, workflow automation design. The final skill is the meta skill. It's using Claude to design the systems that make everything else work. I said, map out my entire content production workflow, identify bottlenecks, suggest where AI automation should replace manual steps, design the new system with specific tools and handoff points. Claude produced a complete workflow diagram. It identified that my team was spending 12 hours per week on content reformatting that could be fully automated. It designed an agentic flow where content goes from creation to distribution with minimal human touch points. It even suggested which specific tools to connect at each stage. This is thinking about AI at the systems level, not the task level. And it's the difference between saving an hour here and there and fundamentally restructuring how your business operates. Here's the truth nobody wants to admit. The AI you're using today is the worst it will ever be. Every model from this point forward will be dramatically more capable. The question isn't whether AI will change your business. It's whether you'll be leading that change or reacting to it. These 10 skills aren't theoretical. I use every single one of them every week. And the gap between people who master these workflows and people who are still asking Claude to write me an email, that gap is becoming a canyon. The future belongs to first movers, the ones willing to adapt, to build, to master the tools before everyone else catches on. If this changed how you think about Claude, hit subscribe. Drop a comment telling me which skill blew your mind the most, and share this with someone who's still using AI at 5%. Let's embrace this age of AI and abundance together. See you down the next rabbit hole. Want to be the winner of the AI age and a first mover? Transform your skills with real AI knowledge today in our AI labs. We go way beyond what I can cover in a 10-minute video. Specific frameworks, detailed training programs, and step-by-step systems for building a career in the AI economy. The AI revolution is creating the biggest job market transformation in history. The question isn't whether this will happen, it's already happening. Will you be positioned to benefit from it? Inside the labs, learn the exact systems my team and I are implementing right now that are delivering massive results for real businesses, including our own marketing at First Movers. Start your journey by walking through a customized pathway powered by AI. For a fraction of the price of what this level of coaching and live training should go for, I'm giving it all to you. Join us inside and learn more about the labs at firstmovers.ai/labs.